Hi guys, it's Allie here. You cannot see me right this second. I will just kind of do that. But anyways, okay, I did have a big
gave her guinea pig a mohawk / afro.
Yeah, and I'm just going to show you guys the guinea pig in a minute. But this is Cooper. This is Wyatt.
Yeah.
You might see some of his videos and stuff.
You probably will.
The great, incredible American flag right here. And the motorcycle. It goes all the way back from the seats to back here. And then I'll show you where guinea pig sits. Just in this little seat right here. If you can see. I don't know, the sun's really bright right now. It has like some wood pieces here.
Don't worry, I prefer big dogs anyway.
Okay.
Not chihuahuas though. Those things are a little mean.
Anyway.
By your fingers.
Okay, I'm just gonna get little Guinea.
Guinea pig. Don't
come here, get.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. That's it. I dropped it. Hold on, guys. I have to put the tablet down so I don't drop the guinea pig because he's being ornery today. Okay. So, just gonna put him on the pillowy chair right here. This is my little guinea pig. He's looking at you guys. And every time you look at him, he goes. So like, if you guys were watching the video, just look into those eyes. He's walking away from me. Oh, where is he? Okay, to the eyes of the guinea pig. Yeah, he's gotten a little bit bigger. And for guinea pigs, I'm going to be doing videos of how to set up their cage and how to change them and how to feed them and what foods are right for them. And this video is already 2 minutes and something seconds long. Just keeps changing those seconds.
Wait, what the heck?
And then this is just really the laundry room. Kind of dark in here. Kind of dark and scary.
That thing, and then there's this one.
And then
there's this thing.
here
And there's that thing.
is Wyatt again.
And here is
Cooper is just like fake riding the motorcycle. Look at the tire.
Oh yeah, but I do have
And there's a
my own real
stove that doesn't actually work.
I do have my
We
own
took it out.
dirt.
And if you look,
That's a shorty bike.
okay, so you're looking at books right now, but when I turn you into looking at in the stove, you see these great, incredible flavors of soda, which taste really good. And Wyatt just took the guinea pig without my permission.
But he's gulping. I
Yes.
shall put him down.
Yes, you shall put him down.
Why are you gulping, baby?
Okay, this is just a quick little video here, and I just want to say bye. Whoa, look at the floor, look at the floor, look at the floor.